Hello lovely crafters, it's Sharni here. I am going to show you today how to make this super cute slider card. Oops. It didn't take me too long to work it out. To start off with, now these are Australian sizes that I'm doing here. So this is an A4 sheet, Australian standard. Oops, and I just cut in half like you would with any normal card. And score it in the middle, like so. Then I use the new rectangle stitch framelits, which are just beautiful. And found the centre as just with my eye. And put it through the cutter. Now this little piece we're going to save because we'll need it in a minute. But what I love about these framelits is they've got that nice little cut edge on both pieces. So once you've got your base, make sure he is scored nicely. Oh, okay. So the first thing I'll do is show you the measurements. So what you need is your base card, which is this, and cut out your piece, and you'll need another piece which measures 5 1/4, but you can alter that shorter or longer, and 2 1/2. Then simply, this is what I love about this card, it's so quick, simply use this offcut and stick it together. So before we actually do that, what we need to do is put some raised adhesive on the edges. So on here, I've got the, oh goodness, it's lost my memory what it's called. Okay, so we just place it down as close to the edge as you can without being too crazy, and leave just a little gap. So that's pretty neat that all fits. Next step, add just your rectangle. Now this looks like it's not going to fit. Trust me, it will. So what I did, you basically want this to be covered by your edges. So that's why I've cut it a bit bigger. It fits. Okay. Okay. I used Hoppy together. So the next little bit to cut, you want something here and here. Just stop the T piece. Stop it sliding out. When it slides, that forms the little gate and stops it. So I pull this out a little bit. Maybe pull it to the edge, doesn't really matter. Don't glue anything down yet. And you want to stick this little frog to cover this join line, to cover that. So the easiest way I found was cutting another piece. I use all the same height. Don't be tempted to use dimensionals because you want it the same height as the base. So pull him tight, and then I just actually put the adhesive onto the paper, which is against normally what I do. Then place your frog where you like. Don't go too high because you actually want to have something stuck above in that corner. And then basically that's it. You've actually made your slide. So he can come out for the minute, and you can either stamp straight onto here or do what I did and cut another insert because I wanted the white. I wanted that fresh pop of white. 5 inches by 3. And I'm just going to place him in there. Close him down. Oops. Put my froggy back in. And just do a rough, really rough guide of where that is where you want to stamp. I stamped everything in early Expresso. The other stamps that I used was Detailed with Love, Let's Celebrate, and Happy Birthday. Blends, coloured in. What do I use? Old Olive, Smoky Slate, Mossy Meadow, Highland Heather. I started off with Mossy Meadow. Light Smoky Slate. So once you've got this little baby, you want to stick him down. Make sure you're against that wall because it's how you measured it the first time. And check it. Perfect. There we have our slider, which I'm going to stick in that top corner. And the cute little dragonfly. Now you want to make sure he doesn't get knocked about by the froggy. It should be all right. There we go. And create a little bit of movement so he's flying. And there you have it, my loves. Super cute slider froggy card. And on the back, I'm going to put another white piece so you can write your message. And that's it. Thank you for watching.